Hello students. So today we are going to discuss about whole number. So before starting a whole number, we'll first discuss what do we mean by natural number. Natural numbers are nothing but a counting number. Counting numbers are what? In our childhood, we start counting the number. First we say 1, 2, 3. So counting is nothing but 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma dash 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 up to infinite, right? So I have written here natural number 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma dash dash dash. After natural number, the second set of numbers that comes is whole number. So what we mean by a whole number? And whole number is a number which includes counting number including 0. Whole number is defined as a number counting number including 0. So we can write whole number as 0, 1, 2, dash dash dash. So the only one difference between a natural number and a whole number is what? Natural number starts from 1, counting number starts from 1, and a whole number it starts from 0. So 0 is an additional number that is a whole number. Now we are going to discuss about what do we mean by predecessor and successor. What do we mean by predecessor and successor? When we talk about predecessor, the concept of predecessor or the concept of successor, we should know addition and subtraction. When we are talking about successor, suppose I am having a number 16. I want to know what is the successor of this 16. So what I will do? To calculate successor, I will add 1 to that number. What I will do? I will add 1 to that number. So 16 plus 1. If I talk about successor will be equal to what? 16 plus 1, that is equal to 17. So successor of 16 is what? 17. Now when we talk about predecessor is 1 minus the previous number. So what is the predecessor of 16? Is 16 minus 1, that is 15. So successor and predecessor are the numbers which we obtain by subtracting 1 from the number or adding 1 to the number. Now it should be very much clear to us. When we add 1 to a number, we get successor, and when we subtract 1 from a number, we get a predecessor. There are many times that examiner asks us to calculate what is the predecessor of number 1. Predecessor of number 1. So can you calculate predecessor of number 1? When I am talking about whole number, I can easily say, yes sir, key predecessor of 1 is 1 minus 1, that is 0. But if I talk about predecessor of number 1 in but if I calculate the predecessor of a number 1 in natural number, what I can say? Natural number has no predecessor, because 1 is the very first number in natural number. Natural number does not include 0. So I think the concept of predecessor and successor is clear to all of you.